This is Fuel Fest. I just drove 5 hours for 2 reasons. One is to surprise my friend Austin for his birthday. He's turning 40. The second reason is because Fuel Fest has a ton of JDM cars, which are all about drifting. I wasn't sure what to expect, but I had to complete 2 major goals. 1, sit in a drift car. Since I'm building the budget unicorn, this could help me understand what a drift vehicle should look like. 2, surprise Austin for his birthday by shoulder checking. All right, so let's go. Since this was my first car show ever, I didn't really know what to expect, but right when we stepped inside, something kind of funny happened. I love the way that rattles. You hear that? Is that a... I don't know what's going on. I've never been to one of these car shows. So one of my goals is one of my friend's birthday is today and we have to find him in here. He doesn't know we just drove 5 hours to hunt him down. And then 2, I heard there's drift carts in here and I am destined to prove myself an amazing drifter. So I need to find those drift carts, do it. And then when the unicorn's done, I mean, we'll do Formula Drift. Obviously, that's the next step. So let's just walk around and see what cool stuff we find. I just spotted a Mustang. Let's go check it out. I just figured out another quest. Holy, it's so loud. I want to find a car that has a twin turbo set up on it, so I at least know what it looks like. It'd be kind of cool. Yeah, it's got Paul Walker's head in it, so it must be. Can you see him over the dash? Rest in peace. That is a McLaren right there. For every time you've asked, that's what it is. Yes. Lamborghini. Aren't they so cool? I don't know, a lot of people say overrated. I think Lamborghinis are super cool. That's another GTR, the thing I was telling you about in the car. That one's cutesy. You could have that one. I could have that one.
We're both cutesy.
Yeah, we're both cutesy. I'm pretty sure this is the Tokyo Drift car that they wrecked, or at least it's the paint job of it. For Han, yes, dude, it is. All right, so we just got a text from my best friend's wife. They said they just got inside, and so now we've got to go find him so I could shoulder check him and try and get into a fist fight. It'd be a really funny birthday present, wouldn't it? So let's go. I think we just found the drift cart. Let's go look. Just got inside. They should be like somewhere over there, right? They said they're by the margarita stand somewhere in the center, and there's the margarita stand. We just found him. I'm gonna go shoulder check him. He's looking this way. He looked over here. Huh? He's coming this way? Huh? What's up? Happy birthday, bro.
So much for coming down here, dude.
You made some video footage?
To Fuel Fest. Dallas, Texas, baby.
Woo! We did it. I know. He kept looking up. Every time I walked over, he's like,
I know.
Well, dude, I asked her, like, literally on the way here, I was like, Alex coming? She She goes, no, I just couldn't make it down. And I was like, okay. So then my radar went off, like, I'm not gonna see him.
I almost couldn't, but we made it.
Yeah.
Once a month, I come up to Texas now.
Yeah, right?
Last month before, this month.
That was step 1 complete. So we looked around at a couple of the other cars, found some cool classic cars like this Camaro and a Mustang, and then we made our way over to the drift track. The original spot we found to watch people drift was so crowded you couldn't really see anything, so we decided to go down to the very end and watch them do the last drift turn. After watching the drift cars for a little bit, we got the idea that there might be a way to ride in one. So we went over to the JDM garages to try and find the drift pits. On our way there, we actually found a replica of the Honda truck that somebody had made.
We just found the JDM garage. Let's see what's inside. So I think we're gonna wander into the drift pits and see if we can't ride in one of the drift cars. Woo! Let's see what happens. Full fest drift pits.
Look sick right now. In the muscle hip. Yes. Let's go, Flynn.
We found out you can ride in the drift cars, you just needed to donate $100 to charity, and so Austin got in that red car that had just been rebuilt and never drove before, and then I walked around trying to find a good car that I wanted to ride in. The only problem was, since this car had just been built, right as they came up to the first curve, the axle snapped. The guys were really nice and went and got another BMW so that Austin could ride in it though.
Let's go! Are you ready?
Will we blow an axle again?
Find out on the next episode.
No more axles snapped, and I ended up picking a car. The Texas Drift Academy I thought was the perfect option because if you teach drifting, I bet you're pretty good at it. And I could not have picked a better car because I was actually getting in the car with a Formula drifter named Josh Robinson.
Quick release. That NRG, I bought that.
This also gave me a great opportunity to see what the inside of a drift car looked like, including where the e-brake was, the shifter, the harnesses, and they had the same quick release I had just bought. Then, in what felt like probably one of the most fast and furious moments I've ever seen, another Formula drifter named Forrest Wang pulled up. They nodded to each other that they were going to drive in tandem.
Literally cannot describe. That was nuts. That dude freaking sends it. He said the guy behind us was a Formula drifter who was chasing, and that guy said he came to the US to do Formula Drift. I gotta go learn how to drift from him at the Drift Academy. Honestly, that was just so crazy.
This honestly made me so much more excited to finish the Hoonicorn because I could not wait to start drifting.
What do you think of the Fuel Fest?
Drove a super sick E30, blew up on the first run. I was the first passenger ever. I would say 9 out of 10.
You want to go back and do it again?
Yes, but I want to bring our cars.
Oh, that'd be sick.
So we completed both of our tasks, and overall, this was extremely fun. I've never gone to a car show before, but I'm guessing I set the bar very high. So if you guys have any other suggestions for car shows that are really fun like this, I really like the activities and participation you can do.